If you're carrying a wheel gun, whether it's a Colt Python, a Taurus 605, or a Ruger GP100, your setup is only as good as the gear you carry with it. Today on Gear Lab, we're diving into 10 must-have Amazon accessories that will upgrade your revolver game, holsters, speedloaders, grips, and tactical add-ons that could make the difference between second best and best prepared. Let's gear up. Versatile, stylish, and made in the USA. This multi-fit leather holster works well with most medium-frame revolvers and offers a secure hold with timeless appeal. This grip transforms your snubby into a controllable shooter. Textured rubber absorbs recoil while keeping your profile low. Comfort meets accessibility. This underarm rig is great for driving or all-day wear. Perfect for larger revolvers that don't conceal well on the waistband. A classic thumb brake leather holster that balances security with fast access. Compatible with Colt Python and similar frames. This product is a pack of 3 10-round capacity rotary magazines designed for use with the Colt Python and Umarex Brodax. The magazines are made of alloy steel and are black in color. They are easy to load. A molded, minimalist Kydex holster with adjustable cant and a claw for concealment, engineered specifically for the LCR. It's light, tough, and low profile. This holster aims to provide a functional, versatile, and well-made option for those who enjoy outdoor sports and need a reliable way to carry their pistol. The Hulara leather Western gun holster belt is a high-quality, rugged leather belt designed for a classic cowboy look. Made from durable, full-grain leather, it's built to last and fits most .38 and .357 caliber revolvers, making it versatile for shooters. Want retention and comfort with fast access? This paddle holster locks your revolver in with a spring-loaded mechanism, perfect for Taurus and Ruger models. Quick and easy barrel cleaning. Pull it through your revolver after each range session for effortless maintenance. Every product featured is linked below in the description. Grab what fits your revolver and support the channel while you gear up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a drop from Gear Lab, your go-to source for tactical gear, gun reviews, and Amazon essentials. Stay sharp, stay loaded.